Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can find low competition niches on Etsy. Okay, so if you're on the Etsy homepage, you want to choose a shop, and you want to choose a shop that has a lot of products, like an established shop, like a shop that has the no niche approach, that has many different products in many different niches. So for an example, you could do t-shirts. Okay, you could do something like t-shirts. You could do men's. Okay, you got men's jewelry, men's clothing. Just find like a generic shop, and then you want to analyze the shop using the tool that I'll show you. So for this, I'm going to write men's gifts, and you just want to play around with these until you find a nice shop. So I'm just going to search on men's gifts, and I'm going to choose this shop right here. It seems like a good shop. Okay, so you either got Harwood Custom Gifts or Bella's Lines. Let's go with Harwood Custom Gifts, and then you want to click onto the shop, and you want to don't pay any attention to the actual product that you clicked on. You want to just click here where you can actually go to the shop, because we want to get the link of the shop. So you want to copy the link to the shop just until the end of the name right there in the address bar. Then you want to copy that. Then what you want to do is you want to use this tool called eRank, a very popular tool that a lot of Etsy sellers indeed use. Now, to make use of the feature I'm about to show you, you just need the basic plan, which is going to cost around $5.99 per month. So right now we want to go to the top where it says competition, and you can do a lot of different things with eRank. I will be doing more videos on it. But you want to go to competition, and then you want to click here where it says tags. Okay, click onto tags, and this is going to show us how we can analyze a shop to get a whole bunch of tags that specific shop is using, and we can sort that to get the most untapped niches. So I'm going to enter the shop name right now. So okay, so it's just asking for the name. So I'm going to go to Etsy. I'm going to just copy the name. You don't want to do the link. Okay, and then I'm just going to paste in the name, because every name on Etsy is unique. And then I'm going to click Analyze Shop Listings. Okay, and once that does, it's just going to take a moment. So when that's finished analyzing, I'm going to get back to you. So as you can see, it's finished analyzing right now, and we get all these different niches or potential things that we could potentially make sell on Etsy with. But you can see we got tag occurrences, average searches, average clicks, but we're looking at the competition score. So what you want to do is sort this. So I'm going to click on competition. That's going to sort it by the least competition to the most competition. And then we'll be able to sift through all that data to get some untapped niches that you can use. And this will work with any store that you decide to choose. Okay, so I want to get more pages per row. Let's do 100 pages per row real quick, because that's going to be easier. And I think it sorted it by the most amount of competition. So we don't want it here where it's all in red. We want it to be green or yellow. So I'm going to sort this again, and let's just wait for that to load up. Okay, this is perfect. So as you can see, you don't want to go after things like this where it's no searches and unknown, because there's no data. So you want to scroll down until you find something that's interesting. So you can see soulmate perm, but that's not enough data. You want to scroll down, and here you can see something that's really eye-catching. So you can see photo wallet card. You can do photo wallet cards. Okay, the average searches is not that many, but the competition is good. So we want something that has a good amount of monthly searches with not so much competition. So I'm going to go to the next page. And just like this, we found something really, really decent. So you can see here that the average competition is pretty good. And you can see average monthly searches, 176. And it's a metal wallet card, and you can find ones that are even better. So like 4,000 is really not so much competition. So you can scroll down and find something with some more searches per month. So you can see like this one right here with 411 work bestie, 10,000 on the score for competition. And here's another one, first date. So first date niche could be something. 419 for the average monthly searches, not so much competition. And basically you want to find something that's really decent. So an engraved wallet right here is really good. Average searches 1,000. Average competition is not so much. So this is the process that you will follow in order to find untapped niches within Etsy. So you just want to make sure to analyze quite a few shops and write a spreadsheet with all these different ideas that you come up with. So you could do another one and then search for t-shirts. For an example, hit t-shirt, find a store that's a generic store in the t-shirt niche, because they can cover a whole lot of different niches with their one store. Get the name of the store, plug it into eRank, and follow this exact procedure. So I would go with engraved wallets. So you could start in a store selling engraved wallets, and that would be a untapped niche. So this is the process that you can follow. So if this video helped you out, drop a like onto it, and I'll see you in the next video.